I'm going to show you how to make grilled chicken tenders. It's a staple when it comes to high protein foods, super easy to make, versatile, and you can season them in a variety of ways. This is the way that I like to make them, and I'm going to grill them on the barbecue, but you can also grill them on the stove. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using chicken tenders or chicken tenderloins. This is that really soft piece of meat on the chicken breast, kind of on the side, that you can cut off quite easily. You can also get them pre-cut from the supermarket. We're seasoning them with some warm spices like paprika, cumin, onion and garlic powder, a little bit of salt and pepper. I like some lemon juice to tenderize the meat and some olive oil as well. You can use this as a template recipe and try out different spices and herbs on the chicken. Now that the chicken is marinated, you can cook it right away, but I recommend leaving it for maybe 30 minutes, 2 hours, or even overnight. It's going to get more flavorful and it will be more tender when cooked. So in the fridge it goes. One important thing to note is that if you are going to refrigerate the chicken, make sure it comes to room temperature before you grill it. You can cook it on the barbecue grill, indoor grill, frying pan, air fryer, in the oven, whatever you prefer. This is a pretty versatile recipe. One little element that I like to add to this dish is this lovely herb, garlic, lemon, honey sauce, which actually goes with everything, but it is particularly good with chicken. So try it out and drizzle it all over those chicken tenders and let me know what you think. Grilled chicken tenders. This is so good. Try them.